On the multi-tools and trimmers from 26cc up to 52cc, there is a mixture screw which is here at the side. It's a spring-loaded screw. Basically, if you're having a problem, you want to return it back to factory settings, you basically put your screwdriver in, then basically turn it all the way in. Stay put. So you're basically turning it a turn anti-clockwise, 360 degrees. You can actually move that another half a turn if you like. Then after that, it's basically you have to adjust it with the engine running, but that will get you back to a factory setting.